Hi, my name is Melissa Maker, and this is the Maker's Mop. It's a revolutionary approach to mopping. It's a brand new design for floor care that we haven't seen before. And in this video, I'm gonna walk you through top to bottom the different features of the Maker's Mop and show you some different ways that you can use it. I've used a mop or two in my day, and one of my biggest pet peeves is when I lean it up against the wall and it just slides down and slams out of nowhere. That's why we've got this little rubber ring around the top of the mop called the wall stop. Essentially, all it does is creates friction so that when you lean this against the wall, it doesn't fall over. Problem solved. Because we expect people of varying sizes to use this mop for varying cleaning tasks around the home, we felt it was imperative to have an extendable handle. Now, further to that, we wanted it to be lightweight so that it was comfortable and easy to use. That's why this is made out of lightweight aluminum, and it extends from 3 feet all the way up to 5. To lock it into place, you simply twist using one of the 2 grips that we have. That's specifically what this bottom grip is designed for. And of course, the top grip is designed for you to use and maneuver this mop however you need. And now I want to talk about the most unique feature, the mop head itself. It's got a really unique U shape as well as a precision edge, which allows you to do cleaning with a mop like you've never done before. The U shape allows you to get into hard to reach spots while applying a significant amount of pressure that you just can't get with a flathead mop. It allows you to get into hard to reach areas, and that precision edge gives you a powerful edge for scrubbing and scouring away tough stains and stuck on food. You've got to try it to believe it. The mop features 2 adhesive strips on either side of the mop, allowing you to easily affix one of the mop pads to the mop head. So line it up by putting the center of the mop pad over the precision edge and then just press the sides down onto the adhesive strips and then get to mopping. One of the other benefits of the U-shape is the fact that you can clean on one side of the pad, and then when that side has been used up, you can simply flip the mop over and use the other side of the U to continue along with your cleaning. So this effectively doubles the productivity of each mop pad. To add to the versatility of this tool, we know that sometimes you want your mop head to be able to swivel to get you the best clean, and other times you want it to be stationary. That's why we've got this unique swivel lock here, which has 2 positions to allow your mop that 360-degree swivel that we're so excited about, and that stationary position to get you whichever clean you need. The Maker's Mop comes with 2 different microfiber mop pads. The first one is the everyday microfiber mop pad, and the second one is the deep clean microfiber mop pad. There are different ways that you can use your mop pad. You can either use it dry, but another great way to use it is to soak it ahead of time or rinse it really well under water and then apply it to your mop head. That gets your mop head primed and ready to do a great cleaning, but also it doesn't leave streaks behind because you've wrung it out really well. And that's the benefit of using a quality microfiber pad. One of my biggest frustrations with floor care tools is the amount of replacement cost that exists with them. You buy the handle or the system, and then you're constantly replacing the head or the pad or the sheet. And that adds up over time. Whereas with these, you get the pads, they are washable hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of times because this is very high quality microfiber. You use cool water, you rinse them well before you put them in the washing machine, launder them with other microfiber products only, use cool water as I said earlier, gentle detergent, no fabric softener, no bleach, tumble dry on low or hang them to dry, and these will last you for such a long time. No more expensive replacement products. The versatility of this mop is what's so exciting, and that's why we've included these 4 cloth catchers. They allow you to affix a good quality microfiber cloth to your mop head. That way you can easily clean up large spills like this one with a thick and thirsty towel, or you can use a microfiber cloth to dry a large piece of glass or a surface after cleaning to help remove streaks. There are a multitude of ways that you can use this mop, and right now I'm going to get into some of my favorites. The mop is amazing at high dusting, particularly getting into those hard to reach corners. And the same thing goes for low dusting. It gives you that flexibility to get under furniture that you can't otherwise get under. The bathroom is a great place to use this mop as well for glass cleaning particularly, or tiles, because it gives you that extra reach. So it's perfect for people with limited mobility, or if you want to get up high and have extra cleaning power. This is a perfect baseboard cleaning tool. It has that precision edge, which allows you to get into quarter round and all kinds of interesting molding. Now for window cleaning, rather than using a squeegee, this mop is a perfect alternative. You can spray and wipe, and in a few swipes, have a clean window. The shape of the mop and the precision edge allows you to tackle those really difficult stains that other microfiber mops can't. And because of our cloth catchers, you can use this mop to clean up huge spills. If cleaning your walls has been on your to-do list and you've just never been sure how to tackle it, this mop can help you get there with ease. Dry mopping the floor, those little in-between cleans that you do between bigger ones, this mop is perfect for that as well, using the everyday pad. When it comes to using the mop wet, you have two options. You can either spray the surface in front of you with your floor cleaner and do the mopping as you wish, or you can soak the mop pad. And the cool thing is you don't need a huge bucket. You can either run this underwater, which is oftentimes how I'll do it, or you can fill a container with water and your floor care solution and pre-soak your pads. As a cleaning professional, I know that you need a multitude of floor care tools to keep your floors in tip-top shape. Everything from a broom to a dust mop, a flathead mop for quick cleanups, and a heavy-duty mop for that heavy-duty cleaning you need to do. The reason this is the new shape of clean is because between the two mop pads and the unique design, this does it all. Dry dusting through to heavy-duty mopping. We've got a ton more information about the Maker's Mop over on our website, makersclean.com, including tips, tricks, and other usage ideas. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.